Hello everyone, I am Sucheta Morir from St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic of matrices, rank of a matrix. Main objectives: students understand the basic concept of matrices. Students are able to solve examples of rank of matrix. Matrices is very important topic and it has so many applications in different fields such as business, finance, economics, computer graphics, cryptography, robotics, and animation, and so on. Matrices is a rectangular form of m rows and n columns of a matrix, and here we consider the matrix of order m cross n. That means here m number of rows and n number of columns. Types of matrices. Here first is row matrix. Now that means one row, any number of columns, therefore order is 1 by 4. One row, 4 columns. Column matrix, one column, any number of rows, therefore order is here 4 by 1. Square matrix, number of rows equal to number of columns. Here 2 rows, 2 columns, therefore order is 2 by 2. Here 3 rows, 3 columns, therefore order is 3 by 3. Diagonal matrix, that means all non-diagonal elements are 0. Now these are the diagonal elements, all other elements are 0. Here in second example, here these 24, 25, 26 are the diagonal elements, all other diagonal non-diagonal elements are 0. That means these are the diagonal matrix. Now unit or identity matrix, that means here these diagonal elements are 1, all other elements are 0. Here diagonal elements are 1, all other elements are 0. Then transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix means row changes to column. Now here 1, 2, 3, this is the row. Now this changes to column 1, 2, 3. In this way, second row is 4, 5, 6. We write down second column as 4, 5, 6. Now here order is 2 by 3. It changes to 3 by 2. Symmetric matrix. That means A equal to A transpose. Row changes to column, we get same matrix. Therefore A is here capital A equal to AHG. If we changes to column, AHG same. Therefore A equal to A transpose, this is the symmetric matrix. Next is upper triangular matrix. All the elements below the leading diagonal are 0. These are the leading diagonal elements. Below these, all elements are 0. Now lower triangular matrix. In this matrix, all the above elements of these leading diagonal elements are 0. That means these elements are 0. Basic operations of matrices, addition. Now for this we consider A matrix and B matrix and addition of this. For this condition is that order should be same. Now here 2 by 3 order, here 2 by 3, therefore we can add this A plus B matrix. Now here addition is very easy. Here first element, we add this first element 1 plus 4, its value 5. Then 2 plus 5 equal to 7. In this way we add each and every term, that means position values, and find out the A plus B value. Similarly, subtraction. Instead of addition, we do the subtraction. First element of this first row, first column, then 7 minus 1, we get 6 value. In this way we find out the values. Multiplication of matrices. We consider 3 by 3 matrix A and B. Now here 3 by 3. Now here condition is that the column of first matrix equal to row of second, then only we can multiply these two matrix and we get the order of 3 by 3 matrix, which is the multiplication of this A into B. Now here this first row multiply by this first column, that means 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 0, its value 0, plus 3 into 1, that means 3, therefore we get this first value is 4. In this way, now first row, second column for this value, first row, third column for this value. Now after that we consider second row and all these three values of three columns, then third row and three columns. In this way we get this A into B matrix. Rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix is said to be R, small r, if it has at least one non-zero minor of order R. Secondly, every minor of A of order higher than R is 0. These are the two conditions, and method for these: reduce the given matrix to upper triangular form and then find out the rank of a matrix, and this rank of a matrix equal to number of non-zero rows. We consider here one example for determining the rank of a matrix. A matrix is given. Now consider this matrix, and then here we reduces this into upper triangular form by this. Now upper triangular form means here we reduces to upper triangular form. That means all elements below the leading diagonal are 0. Now first we forming 0 in first column, then forming 0 by using R2 in second column. In this way we apply the method. Now here forming 0 by using R1, therefore R2 changes to, we applying this row operation here, R3 changes to R3 minus R1, we get this matrix. Now after that here we reduces these two, forming 0 in second column by using R2, therefore R2 changes to these operations and reduces to this. Now rank of a matrix means number of non-zero rows. Non-zero row, this one non-zero row, and this is third non-zero row, therefore rank equal to 3. We consider another example for this. Determine the rank of a matrix. Consider a matrix. Now here forming 0 in first column by using R1, by using these operations. Here we forming 0. Then again forming 0 in second column. Therefore apply this operation, that means by using R2. And this is the upper triangular form. But here number of non-zero rows are 2, 1 and 2. Here completely 0 values. Complete row is 0, therefore we cannot consider this as a non-zero row. Therefore rank of a matrix is 1 and this 2, therefore R of A equal to 2. In this way we can find out the rank of a matrix of any matrix, 2 by 2, 3 by 3 and any matrix. Okay. Thank you for listening.